Hi, this is Drew Finn here for ExpertVillage.com. We're going to talk about cleaning and maintaining a deck. This video is presented by Black Dog Video, and you can visit us on the web at blackdogvideo.biz. We need to clear the deck of all furniture, and so we'll just pick up all the furniture, move it off the deck, and then we've got to sweep the debris off the deck, any kind of leaves or whatever happens to be on there as far as debris. In this particular one, sweeping along the seams is what we need to do to get the stuff that's stuck in between the grooves. So we want to get all that stuff cleaned off well. Now, some of it's still stuck in the grooves. It might be a little tedious, but I'd like you to pick out what you can pick out and reasonably just pop it right out of the grooves.